G'day guys, I'm Jacob, this is Benny, and today we're going to be installing a bolt-in air suspension kit to the rear of this Fiat Ducato.
At Yakima, this van is used as a service vehicle.
The weight of the tools and gear in the back pushes the rear end down, causing spring sag. This can result in tail scraping into driveways, body roll around corners, and bottoming out.
These airbags will solve that spring sag problem and level the vehicle simply by inflating the airbags.
This airbag kit has a fitment time of around 2 hours.
But we're going to be installing it in 2 to 3 minutes just for you, aren't we, Benny?
Yep.
Let's do it.
It is recommended that only a properly qualified person installs the product and carries out maintenance. If you are not qualified and attempt to carry out such work, ensure that all safety equipment is used and safety standards are met.
Every Airbag Man kit comes with vehicle-specific installation instructions. Make sure these are read through thoroughly before installing the kit.
Everything you need to install your Airbag Man suspension comes in the kit. Before we head over to the vehicle, the airbag assemblies need to be built. Using the fasteners, fasten the upper and lower mounting brackets to the airbags along with the air fittings. Pay close attention to the bracket alignment. Please refer to your instructions for more detail.
The airbag assembly fits between the leaf spring and the chassis rail. First of all, we need to remove the bump stop and loosen off the U-bolts. Let's show you how it's done.
By hand, remove the factory bump stops and plates. Don't worry, you'll still maintain bump stop capabilities as our airbags are designed to act as a replacement bump stop and have been for decades. Using the supplied upper adapter bracket and bolt, fasten securely to the chassis, screwing into the existing bump stop threaded hole. Compressing the airbags makes it much easier to place the assembly into position. Now that the assembly is in place, fasten the upper bracket to the previously installed adapter bracket using the supplied bolts. To secure the lower bracket, place the existing U-bolts over each bracket lip and fasten using the supplied lock nuts. Cut the tubing cleanly with a sharp Stanley knife or tube cutter and insert the tubing into the push to connect fitting below the airbag. Using the supplied cable ties, route the tubing away from any sharp edges and heat to the rear of the vehicle where you have mounted the inflation valves. Cut the tubing cleanly and insert into the back of the inflation valves. The airbags are inflated and leak tested using soapy water in a spray bottle, spraying all fitting and tubing connections. Now that everything is in place and leak tested, it is time to refer to the last page of your installation instructions for important airbag operating heights. This page also includes a maximum pressure reference which reflects your vehicle's load capacity. Now you can enjoy adjustable leveling control and many other benefits with your Airbag Man suspension. If you want to go that one step further with inflating and deflating your airbags, we have a massive range of onboard air supply systems available, from switches, wireless controllers, and auto leveling. So make sure you jump on our website and check them out.
There we go, guys.
Thanks for watching.
Now remember, bag it with the best.